Next method in Unit 3, Mathematics 2 is Newton-Raphson method. In this session, we will see the Newton-Raphson method. What is the working procedure for Newton-Raphson method? Later on, I will explain 3 problems, how to solve the problems in Newton-Raphson method. The remaining 2 problems are the assignment problems. Now, we will see the working procedure for Newton-Raphson method. Given function b, f of x is equal to 0. Find the initial root x naught such that f of x naught nearer to 0. Same as the previous methods, the root lies between negative and positive. Or at x value it is negative and next value it is positive. The root lies between 2 and 3 or 3 and 4, 4 and 5. We have to find the root lies between two values. We will take the middle value. Suppose the root f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive. So the root lies between 2 and 3. So we will take the middle point 2 and 3, 2.5. Like that we will find the initial root. Given f of x equal to 0, find the initial root x naught such that f of x naught equal to 0. In problems we will see how to find the f of x naught. In this Newton-Raphson method, for the given function we have to compute f dash of x naught, f of x naught and f dash of x naught. The first approximate root by Newton-Raphson method is x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. This is the very important formula. X1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. Find the f of x1 and f dash of x1. Same style, find the x2. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 minus f dash of x1. Using x2, find f of x2 and f dash of x2. Third approximate root x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. Xn equal to, in general, xn equal to xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 1 by f dash of xn minus 1. This is the working rule for Newton-Raphson method. At the description of this video link, this file is available. Note the procedure for solving these problems. Now we will see the problems on Newton-Raphson method. These are the 5 problems in Newton-Raphson method. The first problem is find the positive value of cube root of 17 using the Newton-Raphson method. The same type of problem is the fifth. Find the cube root of 48 using Newton-Raphson method up to 4 decimal places. Second problem is x sin x plus cos x is equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. Find the positive value of 2x cube minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. I will explain first 3 problems, how to solve these 3 problems using Newton-Raphson method. Yourself solve the fourth problem and the fifth problem using Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method. Find the positive value of cube root of 17 using Newton-Raphson method. First, initially for this type of problems, for fifth problem also cube root of 48. Let x equal to cube root of 17. Cubing both sides, we will get x cube equal to 17. X cube minus 17 equal to 0. F of x equal to, let f of x equal to x cube minus 17. For Newton-Raphson method, we have to compute f dash of x also. F dash of x equal to 3x square. D by dx of x cube equal to 3x square. 17 is constant. D by dx of constant term is 0. Therefore, f dash of x equal to 3x square. Now we will compute the root lies between which values. At 0, x equal to 0, x cube minus 17. If we place substitute 0 in place of x, we will get minus 17. At x equal to 1, f of x equal to minus 16. At x equal to 2, f of x equal to minus 9. At x equal to 3, f of x value is 10. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, 27 minus 17, 10. So the root lies between. From the above table, it is clear that the solution to this problem, positive solution to this problem, lies between 2 and 3. Therefore, the root lies between 2 and 3. Now we will start the initial value as the midpoint of these two values. 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5. This is the x naught value. Okay, first iteration, f of x naught equal to f of 2.5, 2.5 whole cube minus 17, f dash of x naught equal to, f dash of x naught, the formula is 3x square, 3 into 2.5 whole square, which is equal to 18.75. Therefore, x1 equal to, the formula for this one Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. X naught value is, initial value is 2.5. 2.5 minus, in the above step we are computed f of x naught minus 1.375, f dash of x naught 18.75. So x1 equal to 2.5 minus 1.375 by 18.75, which is equal to 2.5733. x1 equal to 2.5733. Now we will go for second iteration. Here x1 value is equal to 2.5733. F of x1 equal to f of 2.5733 equal to the x cube minus 17, which is equal to 0.0407. F dash of x equal to 3x square. 3 into 2.5733 whole square, which is equal to 19.8661. Now we will using x1 value, we will compute the x2 value. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. x2 equal to, therefore x2 equal to 2.5733 minus, in the above two steps we are computed the f of x1 and f dash of x1. Substitute those values, we will get x2 equal to 2.5713. Using x2 value, we will compute x3 value. This process is repeated after decimal places up to 4 digits are equal until this process is repeated. Third iteration, f of x2 equal to 2.5713 whole cube minus 17, which is equal to 0. F dash of x2 equal to 3x square, 19.8375. Therefore, x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2, which is equal to 2.5713. Here x2 equal to x3. Therefore, the process is, we will stop the process. Therefore, approximate root of the equation, cube root of 17 is 2.5713. Now we will see the second problem. Adaptation method. Find the positive value of x sin x plus cos x equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. The solution to this problem is, the given equation is x sin x plus cos x equal to 0. Let f of x equal to x sin x plus cos x. F dash of x, d by dx of x sin x is x into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x, which is equal to sin x plus x cos x. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Sin x and plus sin x and minus sin x will cancel. F dash of x equal to x cos x. Now we will compute the values. At 0, x equal to 0, f of x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, it is positive value. At x equal to 2, f of x, not f dash of x, we will substitute the value of x in f of x. The value of f of x is 1.4024. At x equal to 3, it is negative value. Therefore, the root lies between 2 and 3. X naught equal to 2 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. The first iteration process, f of x naught equal to f of 2.5 equal to 2 into 2.5 into sin of 2.5 minus plus cos of 2.5, 0.695. F dash of x equal to x cos x. This is the formula for f dash of x, x cos x. F dash of x not equal to 2.5 into cos 2.5 minus 2.0029. Using those values, f of x naught and f dash of x naught, we will compute the x1 value. x1 equal to Newton-Raphson method, the general formula is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught, that equal to 2.5 minus, in previous two steps we are computed those values, f of x by f dash of x naught. Therefore, x1 equal to 2.847. Using the x1 value, we will compute the x2 value. F of x, we have to compute f of x1, f dash of x1, and x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. F of x1 is minus 0.1304, f dash of x1 is minus 2.7244, x2 is this value. Using that formula, x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1, we will get x2 equal to 2.7992. Next, using this value, x2 value, we will start the process for third iteration. In third iteration, we will compute the f of x2, f dash of x2 values. x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. We will get the x3 values 2.7984. Here 2.7992, 2.7984. We will proceed for fourth iteration. x3 f of x4 equal to f of x3 equal to 0, f dash of x3 equal to 0. So whenever f of x3 equal to 0, that is the last iteration. F dash of x3 equal to minus 2.6352, we will get x4 equal to 2.7984. Therefore, approximate root of the equation x sin x plus cos x equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method is 2.7984. We will go for third problem. Find the positive value of 2x cube minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. Given that solution 2x cube minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0, let f of x equal to LHS 2x cube minus 3x minus 6. F dash of x equal to d by dx of f of x, that equal to 6x square minus 3. We will compute the root lies between which values. X equal to 0, f of x is minus x. At x equal to 1, f of x is minus 7. At x equal to 2, f of x is 4. At x equal to 1, it is negative value. At x equal to 2, it is positive value. Therefore, the solution to this problem, the positive solution to this problem lies between 1 and 2. The initial value is x not equal to 1 plus 2 by 2, 1.5. X not equal to 1.5. F of x not equal to f of x not equal to f of 1.5, that equal to minus 3.75. F dash of x not equal to 6x square minus 3. 6 into 1.5 whole square minus 3, which is equal to 10.5. x1 equal to 1.5 minus 3.75 by 10.5, which is equal to 1.8571. Next, second iteration. Using x1, we will compute x2. F of x1 equal to 2x cube minus 3x minus 6, 1.2391. F dash of x equal to 17.6939, 6x square minus 3. This is the formula for f dash of x. Using f of x1 and f dash of x1, we will compute the x2. The formula for x2 equal to, in Newton-Raphson method, x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. x2 equal to 1.8571 minus 1.2391 by 17.6939. Therefore, x2, by simplifying the above calculations, x2 we will get x2 is x2 equal to 1.7871. Next, third iteration. Using x2 value, we will compute the x3. x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. f of x2 equal to 0.054. F dash of x2 equal to 16.1627. x3 equal to 1.7838. Just substitute the value of x2, f of x2, f dash of x2 in the above formula. We will get x3 equal to 1.7838. Using this value, x3 value, we will compute x4 value. x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 by f dash of x3. Now we will compute f of x3 and f dash of x3 in fourth iteration. F of x3 equal to 0.301, f dash of x3 equal to 16.0912, x4 equal to 1.7838. Here x3 equal to 1.7838, x4 equal to 1.7838. Up to 4 places, we will get the solution. Approximate root of the equation. Therefore, this iteration process is repeated until two successive values are equal up to the 4 decimal places. Here x3 equal to 1.7838, x4 equal to 1.7838. So we will stop the process. The solution to this problem is 1.7838. Therefore, the last step of the problem is approximate root of the equation 2x cube minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method is 1.7838. Okay, these are the three problems. These three problems are obtained in the previous example. Very, very important method. This method is also next to two problems in the Newton-Raphson method are assignment problems. At the description of this video link have all these problems and the solution to these problems. Go through the description of the link, note these 3 problems and do the remaining 2 problems of the assignment for this week. Thank you. For any queries, call to me.